you want to see some climbing science? Check out us whipping with some dynos on this episode of How Not to Climb. Hi, I'm Ryan Jinks, and we are going to do some climbing science here at Pipeworks climbing gym in Sacramento. We have 3 dynamometers that we are going to put on the climber, the belayer, and the bolt that we whip on. So I've asked numerous people how much force is created at any point during a whipper, a climbing whipper. So we've done science here on How Not to Highline before about highlines and the forces that are on them. And we have learned, if you have followed along at all, and if you haven't, make sure you hit that subscribe button, that highlines are about 2 to 6 kilonewtons when we whip. Big highlines start at a high kilonewtons, 4 or 5 kilonewtons, but barely go up when we whip. Small highlines barely start at anything, but spike because there's not as much webbing to absorb it. So we're gonna take some about 20-foot whippers here at Pipeworks, and we are going to record everything with different weights, different people, switching the belayer and the climber. So let's get started.
Hello, I'm Ryan Kowalski and I weigh 160 pounds.
What's it read, TJ? Is it backwards?
It's taking some time. Hi, I'm TJ Gillick and I weigh 167 pounds.
I'm Mike Melner, and I weigh 175 pounds. Hi, I'm Mike Melner 2.0, and I weigh 191 pounds.
With your weight belt. We needed a heavier guy, and Mel lost weight. So thanks, Mel. I want to make a special thank you to Pipeworks Climbing Gym for allowing us to come in here after hours. If you're in the Sacramento area, be sure to hit them up. There's a lot of awesome people here. I met TJ, Mel, and Ryan all here at Pipeworks. What's the plan, Mel?
Okay, so the plan is I'm going to take this dynamometer all the way up to the 4th quick draw. I'm going to clip it in, clip the rope in, go to the top, touch the top, and then fall.
Awesome. How are you going to stay safe?
Well, we've got a couple different things going on here. So we've got a figure 8 tied to our other dynamometer, which is attached to my harness, and then I took that tail and we tied directly in. So
yeah. We do human testing, but we do it as safe as we can.
Absolutely.
This, you guys, is a line scale 2. It's new. It's awesome. I think it's $400 or $500. It goes up to 30 kilonewtons compared to the Rock Exotica Enforcer. This is only, this is great because it has swivels, but only goes up to 20 kilonewtons, which for me, when I'm doing tests, is not high enough. But I like this one a lot because it's got big eyes for when we use it for high lines and stuff, and it can feel pretty secure. Soft shackles are really bomber, and this is double wrapped, way stronger than the harness, but we still back it up. Go to linegrip.com in order to pick up one of these. All right, so what are you gonna do, Ryan?
So I'll be doing a lead belay. I have my ATC with my carabiner right into the top of the dynamometer, which then goes into the soft shackle, which is then backed up by the sling in case anything were to happen.
Awesome. You look like you've done this before, Ryan.
No, this is the first time.
Sick. Do you have bad eyesight that you need those special glasses?
Oh, they zoom in for me and they do all the belaying too.
Do they hold the rope? Sick.
just really trying not to kick you in the face.
Hey Mel, what'd you get?
1.78.
1.78. All right, go up there and read that dyno for us. All right.
0.99.
Oh, you got less than he did.
Yeah.
Sick. What's it say, Mel?
3.54 kilonewtons.
3.54. Yeah. Wow. All right, so Mel's gonna do a short fall that doesn't lift Ryan up nearly as much. Yeah, that was smaller for sure. What's your dyno say, Mel?
1.26.
1.26. Okay. So what's the dyno read?
0.72.
0.72.
2.88 kilonewtons.
2.88 on the smaller fall. Cool. All right, guys, you ready?
Ready to
How
do
much
this
do you
thing.
weigh again,
I
TJ?
weigh 167.
And
160.
all right, so pretty even. Let's find out. Let's find out how much this generates. TJ, while you rest there, how much does the dyno read?
My dyno is reading 0.84.
And the quick draw?
Quick draw accuracy 1.28.
1.28, which is a combination of both of your guys' weight.
Yeah, roughly 300 pounds of force.
Nice. Okay, so we'll find out what it is when you fall now.
For science!
All right. What's it read?
2.14.
2.14.
0.85.
Awesome.
3.72.
Wow. Now what's it read?
1.73 on my harness.
What'd you get?
0.77.
0.77 on the short fall.
3.46 on the anchor.
3.46. All right, Ryan, what are we doing now?
We're doing a static fall where the diameter is located directly into the ground, anchored into the ground.
Cool, so you're not gonna fly up,
I'm not going to be moving.
which simulates when you're at a hanging belay outside.
3, 2, 1, science!
What's it read?
2.65.
2.65.
4.52.
1.15.
1.15, sick.
No, 2.0.
How much weight are you now?
191 pounds.
Awesome. You look like you're ready for battle.
Right?
Go, go,
Bulletproof vest.
go for it, buddy.
It's kind of harder to climb.
Oh my God, that's a good point. Yeah,
4 science.
you got it. You got it for science. Damn, dude.
Are you kidding me?
What's it say?
4.06.
Nice.
It's not that much more.
Yeah.
4.06.
So the static anchor was way more intense.
Yep.
Yeah, statics. Well, yeah, Ryan got just sucked up. Yeah. Hi, I'm Ryan, and I'm 158 pounds. So, got the dyno on me. But as you can see right here, we Z-dragged it. And so we're gonna have a lot of friction when I fall. So in theory, this will feel more like a static catch to me and more like nothing to Ryan. Woo, for science. Oh, I'm so nervous. 2.43. Woo.
Yeah.
Man, that was scary. It's way easier filming.
What did you get, Ryan?
0.36.
0.36.
4.78.
Yep.
Wow, 4.78.
Yeah, that's static as fuck.
I didn't feel anything.
You didn't feel anything. Now we're gonna go for the big gusto and drop as far as we can. And so I'm gonna belay Ryan this time and we'll see how it goes.
Now I'm going to get to climb. The science! That puts me at 1.87.
On the bigger fall, I got 0.84 also.
2.60.
2.60. Wow. Wow, that was a lot of numbers. But basically, we got some good data as a good starting point for some climbing experiments. You can check out the chart right here and tell me why you think the climber plus the belayer never really added up to the bolt. Leave in the comments below why you think that is. Notice that we did not get 5 kilonewtons on the bolt at any time, regardless of what kind of experiment we were doing, big falls or even static. It was interesting to see how little force was on the belayer, and especially when we did the Z-drag test. Also, leave in the comments below what kind of climbing experiments you want to see. We plan on doing some human testing in the climbing world and kind of get a feel for what kind of forces things see, because like our carabiners are rated for 24 kilonewtons, our ropes are rated for falls, even though you'd be shocked how little dynamic ropes break. I prefer to try to stay away from that consumer attitude where it's like someone just hands you something and you take it for granted that it works and you go use it. It's nice when you understand what each thing breaks at, why, and so you can make decisions out in the field, because it's your life.